What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change name, links, details and info about any WordPress theme or plugin present on your site, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard and imagine the following situation, okay? You would like to change, for any reason you would like to change the name of your theme or the name of some plugins that you are using. So the final client never knows what tools you have used to build their site. Up to you, okay? If you purchase the products, you can do this, in my opinion. But it's just my opinion, okay? So go to the WordPress dashboard. If you are using a classic WordPress theme, you're gonna be able to see under plugins and under appearance the options theme file editor in submenus, and under plugins into the WordPress left sidebar of menus on dashboard the plugin file editor, okay? So if you are using block WordPress themes, all gonna be under tools, okay? So just a simple change, okay? So hover mouse over plugins and click on plugin file editor. In my case, I would like to change the borderless WordPress plugin name, okay? So the name is gonna be Visual Model plugin, just like this, okay? So you're gonna be able to change the URL from the plugin, the author of the plugin, the author URL of the plugin. You can change the version of the plugin, but this I don't recommend, okay, because the auto updates normally follows this if you are using a WordPress org plugin. But every info that you customize right here will not affect how the plugin works. So you can change the description of the plugin that appears on the WordPress dashboard plugins page right here, okay? Name of the plugin, description, version, author and author URL. Simple, right? So you can customize every single part of the plugin names just like this. After doing your change, and just a note, do the change only into this first lines right here, okay? After this, you can broke the plugin, okay? Simple. So hit the update file button. File edited successfully. Now, in the case that I want to change the plugin or to customize another plugin name, hit view the upper right corner of your screen, select plugin to edit. Right here we have, for example, contact form 7, click on select, and here is the plugin, and you're gonna be able to change the plugin name, URL, author URL, okay? Simple and easy. In the case that I want to change the theme's details, so go to your WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over appearance, and hit the submenu theme file editor. Now we're going to need to select the theme into the upper right corner of your screen once again. Right here we have 2024, 2022 and Enzo. So imagine that we would like to change the Enzo theme name. You can call, for example, Visual Model theme. You can change the theme URL, the theme author, the author URL, the description of the theme. Where does the description of the theme and this information appears? Under appearance, themes. If you click on theme details, you can see all the information right here, okay? Right here is the description, theme title, author name, URL, and version. You can customize it right here. After doing your change, hit the update file button. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. Just a note, please don't change information that is not right here, okay? So if you do this, you can potentially break your site, okay? So only change the information right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, And don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Anzu WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that I would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!